Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a real simple thing you can do to fix various different faults on your Samsung TV. This is a 7 Series 65-inch. So normally when you turn it off, you just tap the power button and you will see the TV will go off. Look, there's no weird logos. And then when we tap it again, it will come back on. Again, there's no weird logos. What we're going to do is a soft reset. And for that, you just have to keep holding the power button down and you will see it will come up with a different logo that it doesn't normally come up with. Then let it go and it will turn itself back on again, and that will be the soft reset. So watch this now. I'm going to hold down the power button. I'm going to keep holding it. I haven't let go. I'm still holding it and it comes up with Smart TV there. Now I'm going to let go and it will turn itself back on. And that doesn't normally happen, does it, when you turn it off? It doesn't normally come back on. So when you've seen that logo like that, let me just mute it. When you've seen that logo like that, you know then that the TV has had the soft reset, and hopefully that will fix whatever problems you're having. Thanks for watching.